All right, bud, we are going to dictate some words and some sentences. All right, so the first word, get your pencil ready, pencil up, pounder ready, is ran.
Ran. Ran.
All right, ready, right. Good, now read it.
Ran.
Very good. All right, pencil up, pounder ready. Pounder ready. There you go. Rim.
Ram. Ram.
Good, now write it. Very good, now read it.
Ram.
Very good. Next word, pencil up, pounder ready. Rot.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh,
Very good.
Rot.
Now write it. Very good. All right. Ready? Here's the word.
Right.
Very good. All right. Next word, pencil up, pounder ready. Rat.
Rat. Rat.
Very good. Here's the word.
Rat.
Very good. All right, now we're going to dictate some sentences. All right, so ready? So this, we're going to get our pencil up and then you're going to pound it out. You don't tap, you're just going to pound the syllables out. Ready? Tim got a lot of ham. Tim got a lot of ham. All right, now pound it. Ready?
Tim got a lot of ham.
Good. Now write it. Good. I like how you remembered your capital letter. Very good. Here it is. Tim got a lot of ham. Make sure to remember your finger spaces. All right. Ready? Here's your next sentence. I'm going to read it twice. Is Rod rid of the rat? Is Rod rid of the rat? Ready? Pound it.
Is Rod rid of the rat?
Yep. Very good. Ooh, I like your question mark. Is Rod rid of the rat? Good, you read it.
Is Rod rid of the rat?
Very good. Great job.